Hi viewers, I am M.NADEEM.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 1, exercise 1C, book D2. This exercise is divided into two parts. Part number 1 we have already done. Now today we will discuss part number 2, starting from question number 10. You see, read the statement in your textbook. A triangle field ABC is such that AB is equal to 90 meter, BC is equal to 70 meter and AC is equal to 85 meter. Make a scale drawing of it using a scale of 1 centimeter to 10 meter. From your scale drawing and find the actual distance from A to the midpoint of BC, and in B part we have to find that actual distance from B to the midpoint of AC. So first of all we have to solve the part number 1. So we have to write the given data that is in your textbook. After reading the statement we have come to this conclusion, that is your ABC. This area is 8.5 centimeter, and that is your 7 centimeter, and that is your 9 centimeter. So the given data is AB is equal to 90 meter, BC is equal to 70 meter, and AC is equal to 85 meter, and scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter. So that's why we have written in your diagram that is in centimeters, because we have calculated, because due to the given scale it is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meters. So that's why if 90 meter is given to me, it means divided by 10, so you will get 9 centimeters. So on actual map you will get the dimension as we have drawn on, you can see here. So therefore the AB is equal to 90 divided by 10, you will get 9 centimeters. So I have drawn here. So BC is equal to 7 centimeter divided by 10, given scale factor or scale ratio is 10, so therefore 7 centimeter. So the AC is 85 divided by 10, you will get 8.5 centimeter. So we have to find the actual distance from A to the midpoint of BC. Actual distance, that is your actual distance from A to midpoint of BC. That is your BC, that is the actual, we have to find the actual distance of this. So that is equal to, with the help of ruler you can find the actual distance in A part, distance between from A to BC, that is equal to 8.2 centimeter. And similarly in B portion, distance from B to AC, that is B to AC. So now we have to find this distance. So that is equal to, so the distance between from B to AC, that is equal to 6.8. so the actual distance will be, so multiply 6.8 with multiply with 10, because scale factor is 10. So therefore actual distance will be equal to 6.8 multiplied by 10, you will get approximately 68 meter. So that is your result. So coming to the question number 11, a map is drawn on a scale of 5 centimeter to 2 kilometer. A road on the map has a length of 12.5 centimeter. Find the actual length of the road in kilometer. And B portion, the length of the same road drawn on another map of scale 3 centimeter to 10 kilometer. So first of all, what is the scale? Coming to the question number 11. Question number 11. scale is 5 centimeter to 2 kilometer. Therefore 1 centimeter will be equal to 2.5 kilometer. So in a portion, actual length is equal to 2 by 5 multiplied by 12.5 is given to us, that is kilometer, and that will be equal to 25 divided by 5 in kilometer, and you will get the result 5 kilometer. So that is your one answer. In B portion, 3 centimeters is equal to 10 kilometer. So in B portion, new scale is given to us. So 3 by 10 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Now we have to convert kilometer to centimeter, so therefore I need 1 kilometer. 5 kilometers given to, therefore 5 kilometer will be equal to, multiply this with 5, so you will get 1.5 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer. So here that is your answer, 1.5 centimeter. So that is your required result. Coming to the question number 12. Question number 12. Read the statement. The scale of a map is 1 centimeter to 5 kilometer. What is the distance on the map between two towns if they are actually 25 kilometer apart, 38 kilometer apart, 12.5 kilometer apart, and 2500 meter apart? So four portions or 4 parts given to us in question number 12. We have to solve each and every part. So scale is very much easy question. Only what is the scale? 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer. Okay, just you have to multiply. In A portion, what is the actual distance? Actual distance is equal to 25 kilometer. We have to solve it. What is, so this distance on map, very much simple, is equal to 25 divided by scale ratio, that is 5. So you will get on map it will be equal to 5 centimeter. So that is your answer. Now in B portion, actual distance is given to you, that is equal to 38 kilometer. So on map it will be equal to 38 divided by 5, you will get 7.6 centimeters. So that is your result. In C portion, actual distance is 12.5 kilometers. So on map it will be equal to divided by 5, so you will get the result is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So that is your result. Similarly, in D portion, in D part, actual distance is equal to 2500 meter. So it should be converted to kilometer, because we have a scale that is 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer. So meter should be converted to kilometer to understand in a better way. That is 2500 divided by 1000. So it will be converted to kilometers. So that will be equal to in kilometers. So 2.5 kilometer. So distance on map, therefore distance on map will be equal to 2.5 kilometer divided by 5, that is your scale ratio. So you will get 0.5 centimeter. So that is your result. Now coming to the question number 13. In question number 13, read the statement. A map is drawn to scale 1:50,000. Okay, scale is 1:50,000. So in A part, what is the actual distance represented by 2 centimeters, 7.5 centimeter, 0.6 centimeter and 26 centimeters. So 4 parts given to us in A portion in question number 13. Okay, so in A, the actual distance will be so 2 multiplied by, because 2 is given to us, that is 50,000, so you will get 100,000 centimeter, or it should be converted to kilometer. So once again divided by 10,000, because centimeter to meter, meter to kilometer, so that is 100,000 divided by then converted to meter, then kilometer, again 3 zeros. So after cancellation, so you will get 1 kilometer is your required result. So in B portion, actual distance will be 7.5 centimeters, so multiply by 50,000, so you will get 375 centimeters, convert into kilometer, so divided by, so you will get 3.75 kilometer. So that is your answer. Now in part number 3, A part but having third part, that is actual distance is equal to 0.6 multiplied by 50,000, so that will be equal to 30,000 divided by, that is equal to centimeters, so divided by, so to convert into kilometers, so you will get 0.3 kilometer divided by 100,000 to convert into centimeter, convert to kilometer, divided by 100,000, you will get 0.3 kilometers. So that is your result. Now 4 part, actual distance is equal to 26, so multiply by 50,000, so you will get 13. So that is your centimeters, so divide it by 100,000, will be cancelled, so you will get 13 kilometer. So centimeter is converted to kilometers. That is your result. Now coming to the B part of the same question. What is the length on map represent the actual distance of? Now it is the reverse process of part number A. Now in B portion, so the scale is 1:50,000, that is your scale. Now actual distance will be in part number 1. Actual distance is equal to 4 kilometer multiplied by, to convert into centimeters, that is 4 is your in kilometer, so multiply with 100,000 to convert into centimeters, so it is equal to centimeters. So distance on map actually, so it is the actual distance. So distance on map, because we have to do reverse process of question number 1, on map it will be equal to divided by, the scale is 50,000, okay, divided by 50,000. So after cancellation you will get 8 centimeters. So 8 centimeter is your required answer. Similarly, in second portion we have been given 15 kilometer, convert into on map. How much on map? How much centimeters we have to show for 15 kilometers? Okay, actual distance is 15 kilometers multiplied by 100,000. So you will get, and divided, this will be equal to centimeters. So divide the scale factor 50,000. You will get 30 centimeter. So that is your scale on map. You have to draw on map 30 centimeter, that line which represent the 15 kilometer. So coming to the part number 3. (250 meter), so it should be converted to kilometer, divided by 1000. So it is in your kilometer, so it will give you 0.250 kilometer after simplification. So actual distance is equal to 0.250 multiplied by 100,000. It will be 25,000 centimeter. So convert on map, convert it. So on map, distance on map, this is the actual distance. On distance on map, how much? So it will be divided by 50,000. So on map you have to draw the line 0.5 centimeter. So it means 0.5 centimeter represent the distance approximately equal to 250 meter. So that is your result. Now coming to the fourth part of the same question. So fourth part is given to us, that is 1600 meter. So convert into kilometers. Thousand. So it is in your kilometer, and it gives you 1.6 kilometer. So actual distance 1.6 kilometer multiplied by 100,000. So you will get 16 centimeters. So distance on map is equal to 16 divided by 50,000. So you will get 3.2 centimeter is your required result. On map you have to draw the line 3.2 centimeter. So coming to the question number 14. Question number 14. Read the statement. The scale on a map is, that is 1:20,000. Okay. So find the distance in kilometer of a road represented by 5 whole 1/2 centimeter on the map. Okay, distance on map, therefore distance on map is equal to 5 whole 1/2. So it is kilometer, so we have a scale 20,000, so multiply with 20,000. You will get in centimeters. So after simplification, so multiply with 20,000, so centimeters. So scale factor is 20,000, so you will get, after simplification, you will get 11,000 centimeters. So you have to convert into kilometers, so 4 zeros divided by 100,000 to convert into kilometers. So the result is 1.1 kilometer. So that is your answer. Coming to the question number 15. In question number 15, given that 1 centimeter on a map represents 2 kilometers on the ground, find the actual area of a plot of land if the area of the land on map is 3 centimeters square. In B portion, the actual area of the lake if the area of the lake on the map is 4.5 centimeters square. Okay, scale is, first of all write the scale, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 2 kilometers. So in A portion, 1 centimeter square, taking square both sides, 2 kilometers square, because we have been given area even always measure in square, so that's why we have to convert into square, that is 4 kilometers square. So new scale is 1 centimeter square is equal to 4 kilometers square. So therefore 3 centimeter square is equal to 3 into 4, you will get 12 kilometers square area. So that is your result. Similarly in B portion, as 1 centimeter square is equal to 4 kilometers square, so it means if I need 4.5 centimeters square, so it is equal to 4.5 multiplied by 4, you will get 18 kilometer square area. So that is your required result. Now coming to the question number 16. Question number 16. Read the statement: on a map drawn to a scale 1 centimeter to 500 meter on airport has an area measuring 16 centimeter by 8.5 centimeter. Calculate in hectares the actual area of the airport. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. Okay, first of all, on map, as it is given that as on map, what is the ratio? That is 1 centimeter is equal to 500 meter. So that is on map. So actual length, therefore actual length L is equal to 16 centimeter multiplied by 500, you will get 8,000 meters. Similarly, actual width is 8.5 centimeter multiplied by 500, you will get 4250 meter. So area in hectare. Okay, we have to find the area in hectare. Area in hectare we have to find, since we have a simple formula, area is equal to length into width. So length is 8,000 multiplied by width, that is 4250, that is equal to 3400, then again 0. So how much zeros? So you will get 2 meters square. So that is where meter square is the result. So area, therefore area in hectare, we have to convert the area in hectare. How much? That is convert into hectares, that is 34 divided by, because 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square, so divided by 10,000, you will get 3400 hectare. So that is your result, that is your answer. Now coming to the question number 17. Read the statement: given that 1 centimeter on a map represents 2 kilometers on the ground, calculate the area of a park on the map if the actual area of the park is 10 kilometers square. Okay, So scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 2 kilometer. So actual area on map, so actual area is 2 kilometer, 10 kilometer square, and we have to find the area on map. As 1 centimeter is equal to 2 kilometer, so squaring both sides, 1 centimeter square, 2 kilometer, squaring both sides, so you will get 1 centimeter square is equal to 4 kilometer square. So that is the new scale. So that's why, therefore 1 by 4 centimeter square is equal to 1 kilometer square. So if I convert R, it can be written. So this is the deducer, is very much important. So in this way we need 10 centimeter square. So if we need, therefore 1 kilometer, but we need the 10 kilometer square representing on map, so multiply by with 10. So on map, how much centimeter square area will be representing? So by simplification you will get 2.5 centimeter square is area on scale it should be representing. So that is your required result. So that is your answer. 2.5 centimeter square is your answer. Coming to the question number 18. So question number 18, the scale on map is 1 centimeter, ratio 8 kilometer. So okay, scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 8 kilometer. So in A portion, 1 centimeter square, taking square both sides because the area is always measured in square, so we need the scale in centimeter square, so that's why we have to convert into square form. So it means 1 centimeter is the so this 1 centimeter is actually representing on map. That is your A portion. So in B portion, as 1 centimeter square is equal to 64 kilometer square, so 1 by 64 centimeter square is equal to 1 kilometer square. So we need 128 kilometer. How much? So okay, that will be multiply both sides by 128, so it will be equal to 2 centimeter square will represent 128 kilometer square area on map. So that is your result. But in C portion, once again we have been asked that 320 centimeter square. Okay, by the same formula, if we see C part, so as 64 kilometer square, so 1 by 64 centimeter square is equal to 1 kilometer square, so 320. So that's why 1 by 64 multiplied by 320 is equal to 320 kilometer square, that is your centimeter square. So after simplification you will get 5 centimeter square represent 320 kilometer square area. So that is your result. Similarly in deep part you have to multiply it. Now if 1600 is given to you, similarly as 1 by 64 centimeter square is equal to 1 kilometer square. If you need 1600 kilometer square area, therefore so multiply with 1600. Similarly with this simple methodology, so you will get 25 centimeter square area representing 1600 kilometer square area. So that is your answer, 25 centimeter square. So similarly coming to the next question, Question number 19. The scale map is 1:20,000. Find the area on a map which represents 124 kilometers square. Okay, scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 20,000 centimeter. So convert into kilometers divided by 100,000. It is converted into kilometers, so you will get after simplification you will get 1.5 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter, or because we are dealing with the areas in this question, so again squaring both sides. So 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 by 25 kilometer square area. So that's why a new scale being developed here. So you need 124 kilometers, so multiply it simply with this. So and therefore that is equal to the therefore 25 centimeter. Multiply with 25 centimeters square is equal to by using cross multiplication, or this result can be deduced as 25 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer square. So this is the deduced result. So if you need 124 kilometers, so very much simple, multiply therefore 124 kilometer square area. So it will be converted to multiply 25 simply 124, so it will be equal to the centimeter square. So that is equal to 3100 centimeter square, representing 124 kilometer square area. So that is your answer. Coming to the question number 20. Read the statement. A map drawn on a scale 1:50,000. Calculate the actual distance in kilometers represented by 4 centimeter on a map, and in B portion 2 towns are 28 kilometers apart. Calculate in centimeters their distance apart on the map, and C part on the map a forest has an area of 12 centimeters square. Calculate in square kilometers the actual area of the forest. First of all, in A part you can see what is the scale given to us. Okay, question is very much simple, but we have to multiply with quantity. That is, scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 50,000 centimeters. So similar scale given. So in A portion, actual distance in kilometers, actual distance that is in kilometers is equal to 4. So multiply with the scale factor 50,000. So you will get so it will be in centimeters. So centimeter will be divided to kilometers. So after multiplication you have to divide by 100,000 to convert into kilometers. So after simplification you will get 2 kilometer is your simple result in A portion. But in B part, actual distance between two towns in centimeter, actual distance between two towns, that is in centimeters, is given to us, that is 28 kilometer, or 28 multiplied by 100,000. So it will be converted into centimeters. So the scale factor is 50,000. So divided into 50,000. Why? To convert into centimeters. So you will get 56 centimeters. So that is your result on map. So why we divide 50,000? Because distance on map. Here you can see distance on map. So due to on map condition we have to divide 50,000 because the scale factor is given to us, that is 50,000 centimeters, so we have to divide. So on scale we have to write, or we have to draw the line equal to 56 centimeters. So that is your so now we have to discuss the C part of the same question. C part, that is given the area 12 centimeters square. Okay, C part. C part, area given, that is 12 centimeters square. We have to find area in kilometers square, as 1 centimeter is equal to 50,000 centimeter. So we have to divide 50,000 by 100,000 because to convert into kilometers. So 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 kilometer. Therefore squaring both sides, 1 centimeter square is equal to 0.5 kilometers square. Squaring both sides, so you will get 1 centimeter is equal to 0.25 kilometer square. So area in kilometer square, very much easy. We have deduced the result, that is 1 centimeter square is equal to 0.25 kilometers. So no problem, you have to multiply. So therefore area in kilometer square, no problem, 0.5 multiplied by 12, because we have to say that area is 12 centimeters square. How much is in kilometer square? So no problem, multiplied with 12, so you will get 3 kilometer square. So that is your result. Coming to the next question, that is question number 21. In question number 1, scale is given, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 3 kilometer. Actually of triangle we have to find. First we have to draw the triangle. If you see the question in your textbook, we have seen so many times before to solve here, because we have to solve very much carefully. So that is your 4 centimeter. So you can see in your textbook, that is in a given figure is given to us, and in a triangle, that is ABC, the triangle height 4 centimeter base, 7 centimeter, drawn a scale 1 centimeter to 3 kilometer. So I have drawn this scale. So find the actual area of the triangle. So actual base is, you see, therefore actual base is equal to 7 multiplied by 3, so you will get 21 kilometer. So actual height is, actual height 4 multiplied by 3, you will get 12 kilometer. So actual base is 21, actual, and so area, we have a formula, that is area of triangle is half base into height. So we have a formula to find the, so putting the values, so you will get here 21, here 12. So after simplification you will get 126 kilometer square is your area. That is your result. Coming to the last questions. In question number 22, read the statement, that is the figure shown below, find the, so when we read the statement and see the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meter. So the length of AB is given to us, that is 6 centimeter. BC is equal to 4 centimeter. In A portion we have to find the length, in B portion width or breadth, and in B part the second portion is area, that is in kilometer square we have to find. So we have to draw the diagram you can see it is given to you in your textbook, that is A, B, C, D, that is 4 centimeter. So in A portion, so you see here we have to find the length and also the width W and area in kilometer square. So if we read the statement, the figure shows below is a rectangle drawn in scale 1 centimeter ratio 200 meter. So AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter. Find the actual, that is length and breadth of the rectangle in kilometers. Okay, that is we have to calculate length and breadth, that is width in kilometers, and area is in kilometer square. So this is the given conditions if we read the statement of the question carefully. So we have to find the actual length of a rectangle. In A part we have to solve. Okay, you see actual length. Actual length of a rectangle is equal to 6 multiplied by, you can see in your diagram, 6 multiplied by 200, it is your scale ratio, so you will get 1200 meter. Okay, so we have been seen in question number A that you have to find the length in kilometers, so it is in meter, so you have to divide by 1000 to convert into kilometers. So therefore length in kilometer, so you will get dividing by 1000, you will get this 0 will be cancelled with this one, 1.2 kilometer. So that is your answer. Similarly, now find the actual width of a rectangle. Actual width, therefore actual width rectangle, that is W, is equal to 4 multiplied by 200, it will give you 800 meter. So convert into kilometer divided by 1000, you will get 20 will be cancelled, so 0.8 kilometer. So that is the one portion result. But in B part we have been asked that we have to find the area in kilometers. So area is equal to, as area is equal to length into width, so we both have values, that is area also in kilometer square, so no problem. The length is, we have just calculated, that is width is 0.8 and length is 1.2, so multiply it, so you will get the result, that is after multiplication you will get 0.96 kilometer square, the required area. So that is your result. So my dear students, we have completed part number 2 of exercise 1C. I hope that it will be helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.